Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn AWS IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management. IAM is one of the most important service in AWS because it controls security and access. We will understand users, roles, policies, and permissions with simple examples. So let's get started. In AWS, IAM is the backbone of security. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It is used to control access to AWS resources. IAM helps in authentication, which means login, and authorization, which means permissions. It allows us to create users, roles, and assign permissions securely. Also, IAM is a global service, not limited to a specific region. IAM is a global AWS service used to securely manage access to resources. It handles both authentication, meaning who you are, and authorization, meaning what you can do. Without IAM, your AWS account would be completely insecure. IAM is important because it protects AWS resources from unauthorized access. It allows us to control who can access what resources. IAM also follows the principle of least privilege, meaning users get only the permission they need. It is used in every AWS project and is also important for compliance and auditing. Asked in interviews, IAM ensures secure access control by enforcing authentication and authorization. It also supports the least privilege model, which minimizes security risk. And we can say without IAM, anyone could access and even delete your AWS resources. IAM has four more components: users, groups, roles, and policies. Users represent individual people or applications. Groups are used to manage multiple users together. Roles provide temporary access and are mainly used by AWS services. Policies define what actions are allowed or denied. At the end, we can say like understanding these four components is very important because everything in IAM is based on them. IAM users represent individual people or applications. Each user has login credentials like username and password or access keys. Users can access AWS services based on the permissions assigned using policies. They can also be added to groups for easier management. For better security, we can enable multi-factor authentication. Always remember, never share access keys publicly as they provide direct access to your AWS accounts. IAM roles are used to provide temporary access to AWS resources. Unlike users, roles do not have a username or password. They are assumed by users or AWS services like EC2 or Lambda. Roles are more secure because they do not use long term credentials. If we talk about real world projects, roles are preferred over IAM users for better security. IAM policies define permissions in AWS. They are written in JSON format and specify whether an action is allowed or denied. Policies can be attached to users, groups, or roles. They follow the principle of least privilege, meaning only required permissions are given. Policies are the core of IAM because they decide what actions are allowed or denied. Let's understand IAM with a real life example. A developer may only need access to EC2 to launch and manage instances. They should not have access to billing or other sensitive services. On the other hand, an admin has full access to all the AWS services and can manage users and permissions. This follows the principle of least privilege. Always remember, giving full access to everyone is a big security risk. There are some important best practices in IA. We should never use the root account for daily activities. Always enable MFA for better security. Follow the principles of least privilege. Use roles instead of users wherever possible. Also, rotate access keys regularly and use groups to manage permissions efficiently. Ignoring these best practices can lead to serious security risks. To conclude, IAM is the security backbone of AWS. It helps control who can access AWS resources and what actions they can perform. It works using users, roles, and policies and follows the principle of least privilege. IAM is essential in every AWS project. If you understand IAM, you understand AWS security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.